Hello folks, I am your host Ali Raj and you are watching Gaslightman.
Hello everyone and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, let me show you guys Amazon SageMaker canvas. And let's go ahead and learn how to upload our data to S3 and how we can link our data in S3 to SageMaker canvas as well. If you guys recall in the previous lesson, we learned about the what is Amazon SageMaker canvas. We also went through the documentation as well. And when we learned that we can leverage Amazon SageMaker canvas to build and train and test super powerful machine learning models without writing any a single line of code. We also showed you guys the actual data set that we are going to be dealing with. Basically, I have a bunch of data points here that we govern the relationship between the temperature in Celsius and the temperature in the Fahrenheit. And all what I am trying to do is I am trying to find the equation for that simple straight line here that can go and fill the data. Okay, so let me show you guys what we are going to do here. Let me first head back to my AWS management console. First, what I wanted to do is I wanted to go ahead and launch the Amazon SageMaker canvas. First, I want you guys to pick on the Amazon SageMaker first, and of course you can go ahead and search for it here. You can go ahead and on the left hand side and you will see canvas and is listed as new. Just click on it and you can see a nice video here that you can show you what is Amazon SageMaker canvas. And of course, as I mentioned, you can train up to 10 models only within the AWS free trial, and of course that for the first 2 months only. And here we have the quick description. You can generate accurate machine learning predictions. No code is required, so please go ahead and click on launch Amazon SageMaker canvas, and you will see that right now I have the domain that I created before, and just going to click on it and then say please launch the canvas, and that is going to launch Amazon SageMaker canvas for me. Basically it is creating the application right now, and this might take a couple of seconds for it to create. And in the meantime, what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you guys how we can go ahead and upload my data to S3. So in order to do that, please go ahead and click on the AWS management console here. I would like to navigate to S3, so I am just going to click on S3, and of course you can go ahead here and search for S3. I am going to go ahead and click on create bucket, and that is going to create a new bucket for me. And here I am going to call it, let's say my first canvas, my first, let's say machine learning model, something like that. Okay, you guys can call it anything you want. Really, he really leave everything as is. Okay, so you can go ahead and just leave everything as is and just click on create bucket, and that is going to create a bucket for you. We call it my first machine learning model. If you click on that bucket, okay, you can see that you can come here and simply upload the data to your bucket. So if you guys navigate to the course package of, okay, for this day here, you will notice that I have the salary information and I also have the Celsius to Fahrenheit. So please click on the Celsius to Fahrenheit, and this is the simply the data set that I have here. So in this data, what you guys notice is I have a column for Celsius and then I have a column for Fahrenheit. And please note that the assumption right now is I don't know the relationship between the two. I don't know the actual linear equation or the straight line equation. All I have right now is a bunch of the data set, and I am trying to reverse engineer and come back to and try to obtain the coefficient. Okay, all right. So what I want you to right now is I want you to go ahead and just drag and drop the Celsius to Fahrenheit, and I want you to upload that data here to S3. Here it's telling you, well, you are good. Yes, please click on the upload, and that is going to upload your CSV file here to S3. So that's great. Now you can go back to my Amazon SageMaker canvas, and please note that it is still creating application. And all I wanted to do right now is I wanted to go ahead and link Amazon SageMaker canvas to my data that is uploaded already to Amazon S3. Really simple. We did not write a single line of code, and it is a pretty straightforward. And once Amazon SageMaker canvas actually opens, you guys will notice that the interface is extremely easy. It's not complicated at all, and it is extremely user friendly, and it will make your life extremely easy as well to build, train and test really powerful machine learning model. Alright, so here we go. Now Amazon SageMaker Canvas application just open right now, and what you guys notice here on the left hand side, you have the two options. You have the dataset, you have the model, okay. And basically what you need to do is, I want you guys to link the simply the data that we uploaded here to S3. I just wanted to go back and simply link it up here to my Amazon SageMaker canvas. So please go ahead and click on the dataset, and then I'm going to say import, and that is going to import the dataset and navigate to my bucket. If you guys remember, that was my first machine learning model bucket, and here we go. Here I have the data, which is my Celsius to Fahrenheit, and all what you need to do is to click on that box here and then say import data, and that is going to save processing, and that is going to import the data for me. And that is about it. That's all simply I have for this lesson. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please note that in the next lesson I am going to show you guys how we can train our model. This is just how to upload the data to into S3 and how to link it as well afterwards to AWS Amazon SageMaker, and that essentially the what we stopped here. In the next lesson I am going to show you guys how to train and also evaluate our machine learning model. Please stay tuned. Best of luck, and I will see you guys in the next lesson.
गेट एक्साइटमेंट को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबा दें ताकि इस जैसी अपडेट्स आपको मिलती रहें।